Okay, here we have the Eoumje, Eoumje Compressed Air Duster, 150,000 RPM, electric cleaner, rechargeable, cordless air blower for keyboard, PC, electric devices, cleaning, turbojet, dry, replace, canned air, compressed air cans, black, from Eoumje. Carrying case, as you saw, user manual. So inside our little box here, we have this brush head. You have this round head here and the fine point. You have your power cord. You have a big old cleaning brush and a smaller cleaning brush. And this is the body of the duster. Okay, comes with a bunch of warning stickers on it. It's got this kind of interesting design all over it, like it's kind of, I don't know, industrial-ish, I guess. Take the stickers off. All right, so one push of the trigger, these lights come on right here, and it is a blowing. So one push low, two pushes medium, three pushes high, and then fourth push is back to off. 1, 2, 3. So 1 is decent, 2 is quite strong, 3 is very strong. No guesswork there in terms of how you get it going. Let's throw one of these attachments on. Okay, that just kind of fits in place there. No locking mechanism, but it does fit snugly on there. Oh, look at that. It's got a light inside of it, so you can see what you're looking at there. So a long hold of the trigger gets a light going, so that's pretty useful when you need to see what you're blowing. Not super ergonomic, feels a little awkward in the hand because it has these contours on it. I mean, it's not awful, it's just not really made to be ergonomic for your hand, but you know, decent weight, not too heavy, and got good blowing power. So there you have it, the Eoumje Compressed Air Duster, 150,000 RPMs, electric cleaner, rechargeable cordless air blower. Comes charged and ready to rip and blow some dust.